critical infrastructure, the last thing a pilot needs is to worry about data management. A trusted Swiss solution that further simplifies data management, allowing pilots to stay focused on flying, not on administration. With Drone Harmony, your projects are already organized by site, asset, and mission before you even take off. Captured data is auto-tagged, labeled, and filed. No renaming, no manual sorting, no folder mess. With one click, your inspection data is uploaded to your S3 bucket, perfectly organized, exactly as it was in the app. Your team gets instant access to clean, consistent data, ready for processing, reporting, or long-term storage. Drone Harmony, worry-free inspections from sky to cloud.